Good afternoon, folks. Welcome. I just want to give you a quick update of what we're doing with the van. Today, my dad's giving me a hand. We're putting a lino floor down in the van, and also I'm going to start making the box system that I talked about in the last video in the van itself. So you can see everything's cleared out, and my dad's hard at it, trying to get that fettled. So, get to you back in a bit. Bye.
If we don't cut it off,
Right.
if that spools out, we can not get under the cupboard.
Yep. Right, video's on, Dad. You're on video.
I'm on video.
Yeah, you're on video. Yeah. So what we're doing now is we're putting the floor in the van, bit of lino down, making it look sexy. And here's my dad, sweating, working hard, because that's what he does, don't you, Dad?
Yeah, I suppose we're retired, me.
You are retired.
Yeah, I know.
Yeah. Yeah, that's just an excuse for being lazy. That's just an excuse for being lazy, that. Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, that's looking pretty awesome, actually. I'm impressed with that. Oh, I see. So you're going to stick it to the thing itself. Do you want me to pull this side out or not?
Just a bit, yeah.
Okay. Okay. Superb. Right, let's I'll turn the video off and then we'll get back to you when it's done, show you what it looks like. Okay guys, so here we have the floors in. There we go, looking absolutely superb. So now we're going to put the bed back in over here, and then I'm going to start putting the cupboards in at the back. So there you have it. Get that floor, check it out, awesome. Okay, so we're finished for today. Still got a few more jobs to do, but just to let you know where we are, the floor's in, the bed's back in, coming around the side. We've got two boxes in, one across the back and the one across here, like I said on the last video. And tomorrow we're going to be putting flip lids with hinges on top of these two boxes here and here. Okay, and then getting the bed and whatnot back in, and then making a table that comes out, but the table is also going to be an extension that's going to flip out for the end of the bed as well. So so there you have it. It's going to look bloody awesome when it's finished. So tomorrow morning, bright and early, I'll be back at it, back up here outside, sorting the lid for the two boxes. Brilliant, absolutely fantastic. I'm really happy. I'm really happy my dad's helped me as well. I've had a fantastic day with my dad. So tomorrow morning, catch you later. Good morning. So carrying on from yesterday, what we're going to be doing today with the van is finishing off those boxes and hopefully getting everything back in the van. So when it's finished, I'll be giving you a short video on exactly what we've done. So I'm really looking forward to today. Dad's just getting out of bed now, so I'm in the garden having a coffee, chilling out a little bit, but yeah, eager to crack on and get it fettled. So I'll catch up with you in a short while. So guys, I'm off to B&Q. Yes, B&Q. It's like the for the Czech people or the German people, it's like Hobby. I was there yesterday buying wood, but this van swallows wood, so I've got to shoot down there and buy not a lot actually, just another plank to finish the cupboards off. So what I'm going to look at also is getting some vinyl to put around the front of the cupboards to make it look nice. So I've got 2 pieces to cut. I've got a piece for the little box at the back, and another piece that's going to double up as the extension for the bed and also for the table. So we'll see how that works. It's a case of trial and error, to be honest. I mean, I've never built cupboards like this in a van. I mean, I did the bed and the back cupboards with my mate Karel over in Czech Republic, but look, this is slightly different. So it's a case of learning as you go along type thing. So I'll get to B&Q, get me wood, and then get them tops made. Hopefully put some vinyl on. I'm not quite sure if I can do that yet, but hopefully get some vinyl on, and I'll get back to you. Right, I'm back and it's done. Here it is. So if we look at it now, I have my table, a box across the back that lifts up. That's got a cubby hole in there where I put the sleeping bags and stuff like that. This box across here, where I've got at the minute I've got tools, I've got a few boxes, I've got a fridge in there. Just open that up, let's give you a quick look inside. Can you see there's my fridge? Yeah. The table is a treat. Now this table here, what it does is, leg comes off and then I've got a shorter leg which extends the bed out to this cupboard here. So when the bed's fully out, this table extends the bed. So I'm really chuffed with the outcome. Really happy. So there you go, guys. I'm going to put this video together now. If you like what you see, please press the subscribe button, okay? and keep your eyes peeled, because I'm off to Wales tomorrow with my best mate. So we're going to put another video together of our trip to Wales. We've not seen each other for a couple of years, so it's going to be a carnage. It's going to be a blast. Okay, so there we have it, the van. I am so happy with that. So happy. Look at that. Stunning. Yeah. Oh, and the floor's looking amazing. Please like, subscribe, and press that little bell so you can see some more videos on the adventures to come in the Thunderbus. Bye now.